And Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G will be the first smartphone from the house of Xiaomi to come with this new nomenclature. This is an all-new device, and hence we're calling it the new edition. The NE for us means new edition, be it display, be it performance, cameras, or software. Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G brings something new in each and every area.
Just like the Mi 11 Lite, Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G is super slim and ultra light. It has been built with utmost importance to design and hand feel. With 6.81 mm slimness and 158 grams of weight, this is the slimmest and lightest 5G smartphone of 2021. We used polymer OLED technology on the display front, which is 50% thinner at 0.44 mm to reduce weight and make more space for other components. With the all-new Diamond Dazzle color, NE will also come in 3 more color variants: the Tuscany Coral, Jazz Blue, and Vinyl Black. Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G is one of the latest and greatest processor from the house of Qualcomm. Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G brings in exceptional performance improvements over its previous generation processors. The processor enables support for dual 5G SIM cards simultaneously. The NE will be segment's first 10-bit smartphone with Dolby Vision. NE is also HDR10 Plus enabled. Now that is some addition that we are sure you would love. The Dolby Vision on the NE is also Netflix certified, meaning you can now enjoy all your favorite Dolby Vision Netflix titles on the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. The display on the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G is a gorgeous looking 6.55-inch FHD Plus panel with 90 Hz high refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling rate.
The Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G delivers a brand new camera experience with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G. The choice of an all-new processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G opens up new possibilities for us to explore. Making use of the impeccable processing power of the 778G, the camera has had a massive upgrade in terms of capabilities on the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. Now we have improved our processing algorithm to the best quality output possible, and we have also worked hard on introducing software features to help make your creative process easier as well as faster. While maintaining the weight to a minimum with this device, we have still managed to pack in a large 4250 mAh high-capacity battery with the NE. The battery comes with 33-watt fast charging support for instant charge, and you also get a 33-watt charger in the box itself. This means that you can now charge your device from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes and achieve a full charge in just 58 minutes flat. The Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G is durable due to carefully thought through material choices with this device. It features Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and is also splash proof, and the phone also supports expandable storage up to 512 GB.
So to sum it up, Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G is an exceptional smartphone that brings in a bunch of new stuff as we walk into this festive season. It is the slimmest and the lightest 5G smartphone of the year. It brings you truly global 5G experience with 12 5G bands. So no matter where you are in the world, you will get a great 5G support. It features the segment first 10-bit display with Dolby Vision, and will give you an unparalleled content viewing experience. And it is powered by the latest and the best Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G processor, which was launched just a few months ago, thus making Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G one of the first few devices to be featuring this processor. It brings you the NFC support, which is very helpful nowadays. It features a 64-megapixel triple camera with 50 director modes, extremely helpful for all the content creators. All of this with an all-new Diamond Dazzle color, probably the most gorgeous design that you would have ever seen. It also comes with MIUI 12.5 out of the box, which is super fast and clean, probably the cleanest OS in the country. And we're also promising 3 years of Android support and 4 years of security updates. Isn't that awesome? So what should be the price of Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G? I'm happy to share that Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G is being launched in 2 memory variants, 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The 6 GB, 128 GB is being launched at only rupees 26,999. But hang on, we also have a special bank offer of up to rupees 2,000 off, which takes the effective price down to 24,999. But is that enough? We also have a special Diwali offer of rupees 1,500, which means the effective price of 6 GB, 128 GB is going to be only 23,499. And the 8 GB, 128 GB variant is being launched at only 28,999. And with rupees 2,000 bank cashback and 1,500 of special Diwali offer, the effective price of 8 GB, 128 GB is going to be only 25,499. So when and where can you buy your favorite Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G? The first sale date of Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G is here on your screen.